Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. In this video, we are going to learn about primary key and foreign key. So, what is primary key? The primary key is a column that uniquely identifies each record in a database table. So, sometimes it's a combination of multiple columns. What is foreign key? A foreign key is a column in one table that matches a primary key in another table and allowing the two tables to be connected together. So, in first you need to log into this Postgresql and go to the database which you have created in the previous video and select the schema. So here it is our public schema. Then go to the table section. So now we are in Postgresql and we have these tables. So we have to write the query first. How to do that? First open this query tool and here is our SQL editor. Let me show you how you can get this primary key. So this is our customer table and we have these two columns, customer ID and customer name. And here is the constraint. This is our primary key of this table. Okay, now we have this sales table. In the sales table, we have 13 columns and you can observe here is also we have this customer ID. That means this customer ID is the primary key of this customer table and this customer ID is the foreign key of this sales table. Now let me write some select query, okay? So you just select star from your customer table. Customer, okay? And execute. So this is your customer table. Let me select something from the sales table. This is our execute query and this is our sales table. Now we will check how this primary key and foreign key both are helping us to join these two tables. Okay, in our next video I will explain about this join thing, but now you just need to understand how this primary key and foreign key are working together. Okay, so let me select. First you have to write this select. I'm not selecting any column right now. Okay, first I'm giving the table name. So from customer, okay, I'm copying, pasting, comma, and I have this sales table. Now what do you want to do? I want to create a join between these two tables and I'm going to use this primary key and foreign key relationships. How will you do that? First you have to write where enter what is the common customer ID. So customer dot I have this customer ID. So I'll just paste the same space ID where the customer ID from the customer table equal to sales table dot this customer ID. So this is the primary key and this is the foreign key which are joining together and it will provide me the result. Okay, so for example I'm going to select something customer dot customer name. Now you may have seen this. I'm using this quotation mark because here this customer name in between they have this gap. Okay, so this space is there, so that's why it will not, it's a case sensitive language. Okay, so Postgres is our case sensitive tool, so that's the reason I have to provide this quotation mark. If you are giving the name customer underscore name, then you don't have to give this quotation. Okay, now I have this Now let me select something from the sales table. Okay, what I have in the sales table, ship mode. Okay, let me select this one, HIP D. Let's see. Okay, yes, now I'm getting the result. Okay, so here the primary key and foreign key both are helping to create the join between these two tables. So you can explore more about this primary key foreign key relationship. For example, in the sales table we have this, for example, product ID we have. Okay, now you can go to this product table and you can create the join between this product ID from the product table, that is a primary key, and product ID from the sales table, that is a foreign key. So you can create this type of join and you can try it out, like how this primary key and foreign key relationship is working. Okay, so in this video you learn about what is the primary key and foreign key and how it is working. If you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.